Here's a great deal on a 2008 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger coupe still has fewer than 60,000 miles. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, front fog lights, and one-touch window functionality. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With a friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, superb customer care, and competitive prices, we're looking forward to serving you.